This is Nisha Rathod, and I'll be having a Q&A session with our alumni. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. So let us start with our first question. How was your experience at Vision Gate? Because that is something we will all like to know. We will start with Aditya, sir, please.
Uh, I'm Aditya Gaikar, and my experience with RSV sir goes back to the period 2013 to 15, 2015. So I'm a 2015 GATE pass out student. So उस टाइम की बात मैं कैसे कहूँ कि लाइक हमारा बैच जश दवे और आशुतोष उनका बैच था. तो हम हमेशा प्रिपरेशन के लिए सर के पास ही आते थे. तो हमारा थाने और दादर के बीच में ट्रैवलिंग होता था. तो क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम में तो पढ़ाई होती ही थी. फिर हमने एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर्स के लिए सर को पूछते थे कि हमें वहाँ पर भी अटेंड करना है. तो हम जब भी सर को दादर जाना होता था तो हम ट्रेन में भी जाते थे उनके साथ. तो वहाँ पर भी अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स के डिस्कशंस होते थे. सो इट हैज़ बिन अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. सो टीचिंग में इट इज़ ही इज़ वेरी गुड प्रोफेसर RSV सर. बट like what I was influenced more about was keeping my focus towards my goal. So he has that ability to mentor you to keep your focus as narrow as possible so that you are not distracted. So as far as you have your focus on what you are trying to achieve, so things get much easier. So just studying was not important. Like his guidance on like always asking us like kahan dikkat aa rahi hai, like how, where are you stuck, and that was very important, at least for me. Others can share their opinion.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
Yeah, I believe he has already covered the majority of the part. But yeah, I have seen RSV sir takes personal care, like he treats you as his own child. The way he understands, because different students have the different requirements. Some understand the concept very quickly, and for me particularly, I was a very slow learner, so it took me time to understand the things. So it used to happen whenever sir used to give a break of say half an hour. I used to disturb him meanwhile, like while he was having some lunch also. I used to say, please just one question. He never used to feel like, okay, I'll have my lunch later. He always used to ensure like I go home with my doubts getting cleared. So that is one trait I admire the most. And there are many such things, but I think this is too short period to list all the down together.
Thank you so much, Manisha.
Right. So, as Manisha and Aditya are already covered, which the individual attention part is very true. Actually, me and Darshit, we used to attend our morning classes from 7:30, and after that, we were also working at that time. So we also had to go for our jobs. So just because we had to leave, so sir used to cover our doubts before, and then later on he used to hold on just so that we had to leave early. He used to do that, and after that he used to keep on extra lectures in the evening also, just for us. And we had like a lot of Darshit and me, we used to call sir at all the other times, and he used to attend. Even Prachi is now here not present, but Prachi, Darshit and me, we three were all together who prepared for GATE 2018 batch. And the attention at the weekends, whenever he used to sit with us, and whenever he used to solve all our question papers and problems, that was like really very, it was like his own personal goal to clear GATE. It was not like, okay, they are just giving GATE, I'm coming over here and teaching. But it felt like he took a O that I'll make all of these three students to clear, and I'll make ensure that all of these students will get into top 5 IITs, whatever your goal is, and we'll do that, and that's what it went. And that's what it happened also. All of us got into it.
Thank you, Vedansh.
Yeah, so he spoke for my part as well. It has always been like this. So one thing that I'll say that RSV sir teaches you, or rather you embody from him, is discipline. Like the way every day he comes in at 7 in the morning, then goes to work, then again takes classes at the end, and the Saturday and Sunday are also like the whole day there's a class, and he's always teaching, and like Shravani or Prachi or in fact us as well, we have always bothered him even in his lunch hours, dinner hours, no matter what, and he has always helped us. He's a fatherly figure for us, and he's someone that I admire a lot, and he's someone that brings life into Vision Gate, and I feel he's a true brand ambassador of Gate. He just pushes students to do better. If you are under him, you will always be motivated. There will never be a time where you lose focus, or he'll always be giving you attention, and that's it. That's the best quality he has. So, this is what I
Thank
have
you,
to say.
Darshit. Sir, can we have some words from you about them?
Good evening, everyone. So, look it. Forget about me. Every teacher is known due to their student. We know Guru Achrikar because of Sachin Tendulkar. He has produced Sachin Tendulkar. We know Guru Drodacharya because he has a student like Arjun and Eklavya. So, no teacher can get success alone. You require students like Arjun, Eklavya, or Sachin Tendulkar. And it's not that I achieved this particular success. Even there are many parents, to be very honest, they want that their kids should study a lot and they are completely focused about them. But whether they actually study, answer is no. I am fortunate enough to find students like Aditya, Manisha, Vedans, and Darshit. I can speak even many hours about them, but just I'll tell you just couple of a quality regarding these students. Aditya, I remember, he was my students for a GATE 12 to 13 batch, and he placed in TCS. I asked him to repeat for 13 to 14 because he did not get very good score in GATE. But he joined TCS, and next year, once he regret about his decision, he came and joined the class. I asked him, he was sitting in very first bench, "Are you Aditya younger brother?" She said, "No sir, I am Aditya." And really, he worked hard. Even he did not score that much well even the next year, and he got admission in Triple IIT Hyderabad. But from there, currently he is working into the Microsoft. He is one of my highest obedient students. I remember one day he came to meet me in the class, but he did not disturb me because I was teaching in Thane. And then suddenly I came out from the Thane class and went Nerul for the teaching. He messaged me, "Sir, I want to meet you, but you left for the class." So I said, "I am actually in Nerul, you can come at any time." So immediately he reached Nerul in just 45 minutes. After going back from Thane to Dombivali, he messaged me that I want to meet you without no reason, just it is a teacher and student meeting. Right. And he again came back in just 45 minutes. I know he sent couple of times messaged me, right? "Sir, you need to watch this particular movie. If I have seen this movie and it always remind me your days." So it's not just the interaction of 1 year or 2 year. He's a kind of a student who is a lifetime student. Look at Manisha. See, all of you, that she is a slow learner. I know she has a back pain issue when she was preparing with me GATE. So she said, "Sir, just can I sit here? Actually, I'll take some kind of rest to my back, right? And then I can prepare." Yes, I need to explain things multiple number of times, but and even I used to shout. No, it's not that much good that, okay, whenever she came to me and I have immediately told the answer. That's not correct. Honest thing, whenever she was not able to solve the problem, I used to shout over her like anything. Right? But she never felt bad. She again came for the learning. Other students, what they can do? Oh, I asked the problem, I paid the fees, why he is shouting? But no. At that point of time, she again came back and multiple number of times. Very late, she got admission for IIT Hyderabad. And I know one story about her. In IIT Hyderabad, she doesn't eat roti because it takes more time to eat. She used to eat only rice such that she doesn't miss even a seconds of time. And from IIT Hyderabad, she got the placement in Oracle, equivalent to my other students who got very good rank, and they got similar kind of placement from IIT Mumbai. So that kind of commitment she has. Now I'll come back to these two smart person, Vedans, very smart. I never said in front of him, but I am telling you, I am teaching typically permutation and combination much better since 2018, and that complete credit goes to the Vedans. Why? Because I have seen whenever there was a problems while teaching, sometimes he find them much easier way than me. So even I have to go back to home, I need to learn those kind of concepts, and post right 18 for 19, 20 and 20 batch, I have explained permutation and combination probability like anything. And that complete credit goes to him. He's very intelligent students. At that time he was working he got placement from the Deloitte, and Darshit got placement from the JP Morgan. So both of them have prepared for the 2017. At that point of time, Darshit got ranked in 300s and Vedans in 400 rank. But in 2018, they swap it actually. Vedans got 100 something and Darshit got right. And Darshit got admission into the IIT Kanpur. And these both people, they are not as smart in terms of study. They are very good coder. It's not just the theoretical computer science. Darshit is very good photographer. Right. Maybe he is attending here function and background he will put some image of a Newark or something else. People will ask, Darshit, whether you are in US or not. And it happens many number of times. So literally these students are actually great. And just one invitation. Once I said, okay, you need to come, because we are celebrating the success of 2021. They immediately came. They did not ask, ki, sir, let me think 10 minutes, 15. No, immediately all of them are ready. So actually, I feel my life meaningful because they are in my life. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir. So moving on to next question. What was your best moment at Vision Gate? We'll start with Aditya.
Best moment.
Yeah.
Okay. There are. So I still remember there was a separate small batch we had classes from Saturday on Sundays in those days, but there was a special class on weekdays. So I remember tutorial batch, yeah. So we used to solve the problems behind reference books. So that is very vivid to me, like Corman and stuff. So I still have that memory back of my mind. That is good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so it used to happen. Sir is very disciplined, and when he used to come at 7, I still remember. Generally, the classes time used to be from 7:30 to 12:30. But since he has to give a break of 15 minutes, he never used to leave us before 12:45 because he has given that as 15 minutes break. So that is why he was very dedicated. He used to ensure I'm giving my total 5 hours to teach my students. So once it so happened, we planned a surprise birthday, birthday surprise for sir at 7:30 in the morning. He came. He was very happy, and we were having since we are students, we were having this thing in the back of mind, okay, today's our celebration. We'll enjoy. We'll have a good time, leisure time, basically. But I guess 10-15 minutes down, he was like, okay, now get back to work. We have to study again. So I was like, yeah, that shows he was very much dedicated, and this is a very good memory which I associate with him.
Thank you so much, Manisha.
So I do not recollect a single moment, but there was one particular class which was really, really good for me. Like whoever is Sir's students, everyone will know that Sir is favorite subject is theoretical computer science, TCS, right? So and one concept in TCS was something which I never understood was NP hard and NP completeness. Even today, I struggle a lot with it. So at that time, Sir, the way he explained those concepts, we literally made a cheat sheet completely. Like this problem will come, this will be the answer, this will come, this, and we've literally went with those sort of thing. So that class is still, I remember that whole day completely. That has to be the best moment for me.
Thank you so much, Vedansh.
Yeah, so I'll tell you something about. So this is an incident which happens very rarely. So when you give a new approach or an excellent solution for a problem, sir will say beautiful, and it's a very rare phenomena. So me and Vedansh, we used to keep a count of how many beautiful we have got. So I remember I got two, and the first one which I got was for graph theory, and that was the best moment. Like that has to be the best moment when sir said this is a beautiful approach, and it gives you satisfaction because you work so hard, and when sir acknowledges, that means it's great. You're going on the right path. So this has to be the best.
We all agree with you in this. Okay, so next one is, what are your future goals? Like, what next now after GATE and MTech?
Oh, future, like I haven't planned ahead as much as you would expect, but I take it like 1 year at a time. So it is always the next level of learning that I can achieve in my career. So it is about becoming an asset rather than a liability for my wherever I work. It's like all the experience that I gain matter a lot. So all that learning is what I'm focusing on. So wherever I go, people would know me for like what I have contributed and the impact I have had.
Sir and his all students have been always very much inspiring to me, and I believe to everybody else as well. So we have the student Sanket, sir's favorite student. So he is currently pursuing PhD. I do get motivated from him very much. I know I am not that smart working, but yeah, I am hardworking, and I know if I put in efforts, I might not reach the moon, but at least I'll reach the stars. So I'm currently working with the company, and in some near future, I have plans to pursue PhD, but it might take some time. Yeah.
Thank you, Manisha.
So it's similar to what Aditya actually mentioned, like how to grow within the company and understand more about the industry and something. So it's like our industry changes so often and it grows in a rapid pace. We can't have long-term plans. It doesn't work that way. You can only have like 3 or 4 year plans. But because we are all master's students and by doing MTechs, everyone usually gets some sort of research exposure. So something finding new for the company, filing patents for the company. So in those approach, going in those direction is the goal. Yeah.
Thank you.
So for the company which I work for, I generally own the modules. Whichever module I design, I completely own it. So I want to reach a stage where I actually own the entire project. That should be like a short-term goal. And long-term, I don't think I'll survive in IT for more than like 15, 20 years. I'll be opening a restaurant chain or something.
And own the company also.
Yeah. That has to be that has to be my future plan. Like, won't be surviving in IT for more than 15, 20 years maybe.
Thank you, Darshit. Sir, I'd like to ask you about this. What are your future goals? What next?
So, majority of people are asking, right, what after rank 1? Even just now, right, Aditya asked, sir, ab to rank 1 ho gaya, ab kya? But in Vision Gate, we believe in the process, putting efforts and improvements. And results are always byproduct of it. And we leave it up to the God, whatever He want to give us. There is no limit of success and there is a no limit of efforts. Definitely we are going to put much more efforts, whatever we put for Gate 20 and Gate 21 students. And that is in future hand, what will be happen for 22 and 23. But definitely I promise, and on behalf of my students also Gate 22, that we are going to put much more efforts than Gate 21. And we believe in efforts only.
Huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Sir, so last question. Any message you would like to give to all of us? Aditya. Sir. Everyone, yeah.
So it's like I started my MTech journey in 2015, right? So I passed out MTech in 2017. So I'll be completing 4 years of the industry experience right now. So like people who are passing out right now and will pursue MTech and like carry on with your career, I would like to tell you this is just the beginning. It's not over. Like enjoy your MTech life, but study hard, but also enjoy it. Like I was a day scholar for my BTech days, so hostel life was something new for me and it was fun. Boy, it was fun. Like you are in a cocoon inside your campus, and that life is completely different from what it is outside the campus. Okay, so you're well protected and nobody will ask you anything. Everything is fun. But then again, keep focus on your because that 2 years of investment is what you had prepared get for, right? So if you're doing your research, focus on your research, right? Like don't just do that, have fun, but also you have to do that balancing act. And also when your career starts, like it is always the next level that is on upon you, and then life just passes on. Like I'm like completing 4 years at Microsoft, and I'm like, when did that happen? And it is just career focus, but there are many aspects ahead as well. So all the best to all of you.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
As part of the message, I don't know like what message, just work hard, have a goal for yourself, and have a practical goal for yourself, and then work hard towards it. I am sure that you'll be able to achieve it, or even if you do not achieve it, in the process you'll find something which you will enjoy more, like more, and achieve on that thing. And other than that, this is the age till you reach 30 or 35. This is the age where your body physically supports whatever you want. So like work, so do not hesitate of slogging at all. And as Aditya also mentioned, try to find the balance that everyone has, like enjoy your life also. Try to enjoy the moments whenever you achieve little successes. Enjoy all those things. Yeah. So
Yeah, so one more thing I'll like to add is like keep your hunger intact, like for anything, not only food, for every aspect of your life. Like whenever, like, so GATE is a long process. Like it's over 1 year of preparation. You study almost 12-13 subjects for a whole year. You go through the syllabus for 2-3 times. So this has to be completely focused and disciplined preparation, and for that you need that hunger. You want to learn new things, that's why you are doing it. There is no other. There might be byproducts, as sir says, but efforts are mandatory, and for that you need that hunger.
Thank you so much, Yarshan.
Sorry, yeah, I would like to comment on this now. I have seen people who give up on GATE classes very easily. Like they'll come join any class 2-3 months down the line, they feel like it is not happening and they leave it. Believe me, it is a process. It will take time. Believe in yourself, believe in sir, believe in Vision Gate. If not today, tomorrow, it will happen. But surely it's gonna happen. Believe in God, believe in the destiny.
Thank you so much, Manisha. Sir, yeah.
So I believe, right, whatever Vedans told, always you have a goal which is a practical goal, very nice, and we will try to achieve it. Whenever everyone try to achieve the goal, everyone cannot succeed. Because GATE, right, 1 lakh students are appearing, hardly 1,000 of them are getting admission. And for everything, it's not GATE, right? You are giving whether CAT examination, IAS examination, job or anything. But yes, in the process of learning to clear GATE, you will learn many more subjects which will be helpful you for in future. What I'll say, right, I never thought to prepare for the GATE, actually, because I was from a kind of a humble backgrounds, and post graduation, I want to do a job for the survival of my family. But in my first year, second year and third year, I used to teach my classmates multiple number of times. And due to that only I am teaching GATE from last 17 years. I need not to look back my books. So that is a process. I have helped my classmates, and due to that I gain the knowledge of the subjects, and now it is a reason for the bread and butter for me. I never prepared the subjects for a teaching of GATE. After my BTech, continuously I am working in one industry or some other industry. But since I taught my classmate at that point of time, it helped me, right, to become a good teacher. So just believe in your process, automatically results you will get it.
Thank you so much. Huge round of applause for all of you. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. So we will proceed with the next part of the function. Mohib, please.